the true meaning of greatness. Instead, whoever wants to become great among you must be your servant, and whoever wants to be first must be your slave, just as the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many. Matthew chapter 20 verses 26 to 28. Wanted, male or female, to be model of success for the world. Qualification must be attractive, charming, bright, and physically fit. Only the wealthy need apply. Money can be either earned or inherited, but not stolen. May be required to show evidence of greatness, such as how many persons are serving you, good dose of luck, helpful but not essential, fame definitely an asset, send resume, full-length picture, medical records, and list of important friends. Wanted, male or female, to be model of success for Christians. This is for Christians, huh? Qualifications: must be kind, must be patient, and generous. Good dose of humility, essential. Selfish applicants need not apply. May be required to show evidence of greatness, such as how many persons you are serving and how you have been persecuted for your Christian lifestyle. Only servants will be considered. Send resume, no picture or medical records or list of influential friends necessary. It doesn't matter what you look like or how healthy you are or who you know. If anyone had a right to be served, it was Jesus. Yet he didn't come to be served. He came to serve. If you're looking for a genuine model of success, you'll find it in Jesus. If you want to have the success Jesus had, you will have to live like he did, as a servant. Who are you serving right now? God bless. Thank you very much.